Hi there, I'm Ryan, one of the support engineers here at Woopra, and in this video I want to introduce you to our new Cohort Reports. Our old retention reports were good at showing an overview of repeat usage, but was limited in its functionality. With our new Cohort Reports, you can achieve even greater insight into the behavior of visitors. Not only can you still see repeat usage over time, but we've also added the ability to see overall trend metrics in the same report. We have essentially combined our retention and trend reports to give you a more complete view of overall trend metrics and usage all in one report. The new Cohort Report lets us answer complex questions like how many people are repeatedly making payments after they sign up, and what is our overall MRR we are receiving. Or what's our monthly revenue breakdown after a user signs up with a specific coupon code. Or even how many users sign up per month and how many reports are they continuing to run. All these types of questions and more can now be answered with our new Cohort Reports. Let's dive into a few examples. First, let's look at total reoccurring revenue after a user subscribes to a plan. In our demo instance, I've gone ahead and selected our time frame for the last year. Our initial action will be our subscription event, and our repeat action is going to be successful payments. We'll break this down by sum of total and set our time units to months. With all that set, I'll go ahead and run the report. We can now see our cohorts broken down by month and get a lot of useful information from this report. For one, we can easily see how many people are subscribing and our total reoccurring revenue from those specific signups. Additionally, at the top, we can see our total revenue from all our subscribers in the past year. And even more, we can see the total revenues by those who signed up in a specific month broken down by each month of the year. On the chart above, we can see our trending revenue growth over time. So as you can see, there's a lot of useful information that we can gather from these reports. And let's look at one more example. For this report, we're going to look at how many times users are using a product feature after they sign up. We'll select 2018 for our time frame, our sign up event as our initial action, ran a report as our feature we want to analyze and by the cohort of actions, and lastly, we'll break this chart down by month. Once we run this report, we can easily see a lot of information about this event. We can now see the total people signing up per month and the total times they're running a report broken down by month. At the top, we can see total times customers ran a report for all the users who signed up. And lastly, we can see total reports ran by those who signed up in a specific month broken down by each month of the year. On the chart above, we have our overall trend for feature usage over the past year. So from these examples, I hope you can now see how powerful these reports can be and how they can give you some really good insight into various usage and growth cohort analysis. And lastly, if you have any questions, be sure to email us at support@woopra.com. Thanks.